Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to create a simple progress bar in Notion. So the first step is to click the plus button. This is found at the right of the last property in the database. After that you'll have to select the formula property. So you can type in the search bar or scroll down the right side panel to open and click formula. After that, you'll have, as you can see, you can simply rename the property. So type the new name of the formula property. After that, we'll have to select the formula option. So these options found between type and number format. The formula window then appears. Type the formula for adding progress bars in your Notion database. So if you only have two properties to base the progress bars on, type this formula here. The round function is added to ensure that the number shows as a whole number instead of 10 decimal places. If you want to calculate the percentage from more than two properties, use this formula instead. Select done, and as you can see, this button will only turn blue if the formula you typed in is accepted. By now you should see the progress bar in the progress property you added, but if the progress percentage only shows as a number and not as a progress bar, proceed with the next section. So you'll have to click the header name and select edit property. So this is the first option on the drop down menu. After that, you'll have to select the bar option. So this is the second option in the show as section. The number previously shown in the progress bar is automatically presented as a progress bar. Change the progress bar color. So do this by heading to the color section and selecting the down button. A drop down menu shows all the color options available, then appears. Click the color option you'll use for it to be applied to the progress bar. A check mark then appears beside the color choice made. And then select the close button, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.